Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. Well, the MIUI 11 has been rolling out to some of the Xiaomi devices. I have received the update on my Mi Mix 2S. Let's see what changes the MIUI 11 has to offer on the Mi Mix 2S. Well, the first thing you will notice is the UI, which has been revamped. This is very noticeable in the settings menu, where everything is not only colorful but also well organized. The different menu options are also spaced into categories. The animations have also been updated. You can see this on the native applications like the settings, gallery, camera and so on. This is not really something big, but it's nice to have. The new update also brings the Mi Share that supports sharing files and documents to other devices such as Vivo, Realme and Oppo via a single tap. A new menu option called the Special Features also has good things to offer, like the Game Turbo and Smart Replies. The Game Turbo boosts the GPU for gameplays, I guess, while the Smart Replies will allow you to reply from the home screen without needing to open the application. With the notification menu, you can actually see the different ways in which the notification shade should appear. The dark mode was already there, but now it supports the applications as well. You can now change or schedule the dark mode to start at different times, just like the Android 10. Some of the features of the MIUI 11 will not be present on some phones. Since the Mi Mix 2S has an IPS screen, we don't expect to have the always on display since the whole screen will be on, and this will hurt the battery life. Other features that won't be included: breath of life. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.